In today's video, I am going to teach you how to customize Shopify Prestige theme. To get started, log into your Shopify admin and go to Online Store, then Themes. This is where you can manage the look and feel of your storefront. In the current theme area, click Customize next to the Crave theme. This will open the theme editor where you can make visual changes and preview them before saving. Once you are inside the editor, look for the gear icon. This opens Theme Settings, which controls the global styles used across your store. If you want your site to feel more polished and consistent, this is a great place to begin because these settings affect the overall appearance rather than just one section. First, open Colors. Here you can adjust the theme's bold, high-contrast color palette. This is useful for matching your brand and making sure important elements stand out clearly. As you make changes, keep readability in mind, so text and buttons remain easy to see. Next, go into Typography. This is where you choose the fonts for your store. Pick font styles that fit the playful aesthetic of the Crave theme while still being easy to read. A good font choice helps create a stronger brand identity and improves the overall shopping experience. After that, click on the announcement bar. This area is perfect for adding promotional text or useful links, such as a sale message, shipping update, or featured offer. Keep the message short and clear so visitors can understand it quickly. Now move to the left sidebar and click Add Section. This lets you insert new content blocks into your homepage or other templates. For example, you can add a featured product section to highlight a key item or use image with text to combine visuals with a short message. These sections help you shape the layout and guide customers through your store more effectively. Then open the footer section. This is where you can add menus, social media icons, and newsletter signups. The footer is often one of the last places visitors look before leaving a page, so it is a useful space for important links and ways to stay connected with your brand. When you are happy with your changes, click Save in the top right corner. This publishes your updates so they appear on your live store. That covers everything you need to know.